A ruling today in the first major Supreme Court case on abortion rights since the Roe v. Wade case was overturned in 2022. The abortion pill is staying on the market. The justices rejected a lawsuit challenging the Food and Drug Administration's approach to regulating mifepristone. Today's ruling could open the door to more legal action when it comes to abortion care.
Denver 7 reporter and attorney Jessica Crawford looks into why that's the case.
Some supporters of abortion pill access are celebrating today's ruling, but there could be similar lawsuits on the horizon because of the way the Supreme Court made its decision. So let's go through some of the biggest questions about today's case, starting with the first. What is this case all about? Well, it focuses on whether the FDA properly approved the use of the drug mifepristone to aid in the termination of pregnancies. Now, for some background, when used with another drug, mifepristone can help terminate an early pregnancy. The FDA expanded access to the drug in 2016 and again in 2021. People can now receive it by mail. The Alliance for Hippocratic Medicine argued to the court back in March that that was a bad thing.
Without question, the FDA's actions have made taking chemical abortion drugs less safe.
So fast forward to Thursday, the Supreme Court rejecting their challenge. But why? DU political science professor Joshua Wilson explains.
The court essentially came down and said, you don't have standing. You don't have the right to bring this case.
Justice Brett Kavanaugh writing that the people who brought the case didn't show how the FDA's decision hurt them. Well, that leaves some to wonder if the Alliance for Hippocratic Medicine was the wrong plaintiff to bring the case. What happens when the right one comes around? Legal scholars expect other people to try to take up similar cases soon. And this isn't the only abortion case the U.S. Supreme Court has taken up recently. We're still waiting on a decision about what happens when pregnant women arrive at hospitals with medical emergencies in states that have strict abortion bans. In the studio, I'm Jessica Crawford, Denver 7.